how to cancel order on Shein and get a refund. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. First of all, make sure that you have Shein application installed in your device, or else you can also go through the official website of Shein from your Chrome browser. Here I will just launch the Shein application. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Here, once you land on this interface, now navigate to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. You will land on your profile page. Now, to view your order first of all, there is a section that says My Orders. So next to that, you will get a button as View All. Tap on View All. Now, in this interface or in this Shein order page, you will find all your orders that you have done in Shein. Now, to cancel that, but first make sure that your order is not shipped out. If your order has already been shipped out, then you have to contact to the seller or Shein customer support center. You can only cancel your order if your order has not been shipped out. So with that on your mind, you can simply select your order that you would like to cancel. So tap on your specific order. Now in the next page, you will land on your order detail. Now from there, navigate to the bottom left corner. There is a three dot icon. Tap on that. Once you click on, a pop-up menu will pop up in your screen that says, if you request for item to be cancelled, we will unable to recover it. Now, if you have the confirmation, then simply tap on yes from that dialog box. After you tap on yes, and on the next page again, you have to select the item that you wish to cancel. Then after that, tap on next. Now on the next step, you will get a method to refund your amount. There you will get certain option to refund your amount either by using a Shein wallet or a payment account. So you can select the method as you like. And once you do that, you have to provide the reason that you are canceling your order. So provide your reason, and after that simply tap on confirm. And now simply tap on submit button. After that, it might take few days or few business days to get back your refund, and that's how you can cancel order on Shein and get a refund. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.